What's up, gamers? It's me, AJ here. And
Me.
Ate. Today we're gonna be playing.
Are you starting mine?
Today we're gonna be playing.
Part
What
two
is it?
Part 2 of the, what do you call that?
Dig it. Come on, let's go.
Okay, baby, ilang percent na?
I got now the Halloween. Ooh. Ate, go to sell.
Wait, I'm 90.
Look at my face. Look at my
Take off your,
Look at my head. Look at my head.
where are
And then my head is
Oh
dancing.
my god.
Just do like a circle.
Yeah.
This is all eating.
Let's
Bram, bram. Oh, hi.
do the snow. I love the snow. Snow is so cool.
That guy is have no pants and no hair.
Okay, I'm gonna mine in snow. This is my favorite book to mine.
And then now now the ice is expensive. I'm just digging the ice.
I'm going all the way down.
Wait, I remember the hack.
What time?
And I'm just gonna dig you.
What?
I'm just gonna dig you.
Accidentally fell to Sorry, babe. Whatever your name is, I fell in your
Go to sell.
I can't say. I'm down in my cave.
I'm gonna go down to my cave too.
I have fish.
That's my fish.
That was my
That was my
fish.
fish.
Hey, this is my cave.
That's my fish. Because this is gonna be my cave. Another fish.
Oh, my fish. My fish.
I already got the fish.
I got 2 fish.
Stone.
Are you mining?
Fish. One
Hey,
fish.
I accidentally stole your fish.
It's okay. 2 fish. 2 fish.
You don't care if I steal your fish?
Yeah. And I got 10 diamonds.
10? What?
10. See?
Ah, thanks.
I found 10.
I need to sew my baggy waggy. I have so many.
It's okay. I'm gonna
I'm
get your
about to
fish.
hit 8.
I'm
How
about
many
to
monies
hit
do you
it.
have? I have 9. 9. Wait, what? 91.7 million.
Mine is 27.0 million.
27 million. Hell yeah. I'm a motherfucker.
No, that's mine. That's mine. I don't mind it because that's mine.
He's like so whatever.
Wait.
Okay. I think we should get together now. Hey, it's my place.
This is my fish.
It's my place.
My fish. In mine, this is Dago fish.
Yeah, I got some. I can be your girlfriend.
Got my fish.
Kailan kaya ako matatae?
My fish.
Kailan
My
mo?
fish.
Kailan ako matatae?
My fish. My fish.
Huh?
Tomorrow.
My fish.
It's you're missing all the fish.
Well, I already get my fish.
My fish. There's more fish up here.
These are my fish. This is my fish.
Oh, is there so many
Dang it,
fish?
dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it.
I need to sell. Don't get it all.
Sorry.
Did you get it all?
You get the last one.
Last one. Yay! I hit it 100 million. Yeah, look, got my money. Look at my money.
get my.
I have so many bugs.
Fish, 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 fish. Fish, fish, fish.
Ace, wait, there's so many
Monster
fish.
thing.
Look. Ace, look, wait. There's so many fish.
Diabetes.
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 I want to get to 100 mil. I'm gonna die.
You're not gonna die. Cause you're not fried.
Not fries. Let me see the eggs in here. Wait, Daddy, look, this is Jill. Jill. Daddy, look at this. Look at this. Chill.
Where? Where are you?
I'm on the dirt place.
I know that.
Where the
Ace, can you wait for me?
chill it.
Your face is chill.
Yeah, my face. Chill it. 50 for 50 diamonds for all the donuts.
Ace, go to take off your pen.
Okay. So let's.
I'm gonna buy an egg.
I'm gonna go
Wow,
check
this is so
on you.
expensive.
Yeah, I know, right?
This is so expensive. Expensive.
You're poopy.
No, it's just so expensive. I want the ice egg. Wait. Go to the selling eggs. Selling.
I'm already
The
there.
one who sells eggs.
No, this all there, sir.
Go all the way down. Look. Right? That egg, the ice egg is from
Ice egg, yeah.
the what do you call that? Bubblegum sim?
Yeah.
That looks so cool. I really want the emerald.
I don't want this one, because look, there's some crab family.
Where?
See? A crab shack. Where you
Seashell?
Yeah, because I want
See, we want the seashell. This is the cutest crab.
I want to get this crab. The ice cream crab. I want to get all the crab, even the chef crab.
Same.
The chef crab gonna give me.
What do you want from the amethyst egg? All the way down. What do you want from the Moland and I can't say it. What do you want from the orange egg? The first egg.
This one?
The first ever egg.
Here.
All the way down.
This one.
Where? Pick. I already have the wait, mine is legendary.
Oh, okay.
Look, come here. Wait, go to the orange egg. The first egg. That one. Right, I have that. It has a 3.23% chance of doing that. I got it in my first egg. Yay! Don't worry, I'll give you one. I'll give you one again. I don't think I have a good one. Okay, you wanna buy an egg? Bruh,
A bad egg.
can I recharge?
Bruh. Okay.
How many percent?
I don't care. We got the sunflower from Plants vs. Zombies.
Ace, you wanna trade?
Right, Dad? See? Dun, 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 dun.
Ace, you wanna trade? Okay, wait. Wait, I'm doing something. Wait, okay?
Reaper? No, I can rebirth now.
Did you rebirth? Did you accidentally rebirth?
No.
Good, you didn't rebirth. By the way, how do you trade?
I don't know. Wait, press this.
What?
I don't know how. Trade.
Store.
Oh, that was trade. Still, I need a snack. Okay, that's for all from this video.
Wait, I think I know some. I think I know some more hacks.
So that's for all from this video. Me and Ate Jenna want some
There's
hacks.
some more hacks. So VEXS squad. So I know a hack.
Wait, V. Wait, what's V? What's V?
VEXS.
Wait, wait, Nana, wait. VEXS.
Look at this. Squad. No, Ace Shark.
Musok ka doon para hindi nahigit. Tapos mo yung ano mo, yung ano mo.
QAD.
Somebody Q. Oh, wait, guys.
AD.
Where's D?
Next
D.
to S.
There. And then.
Radio.
I think A squad.
That's. Oh, I spelled it wrong.
What is it? Wait.
Like that. U and Q are upside down.
V E X S S. Where's the Q?
Q.
Ikas ka pa sa ilalim. Paano ka
Q.
niya?
AD.
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 Oh.
Like squad.
Code already read up. What? Wolf B. We got a wolf. You will get a wolf B. We did that. Go to pets. Check if you have a wolf B.
No.
Oh, I have a wolf B.
I already got a wolf B.
The wolf B is ugly.
Yeah.
It looks weird.
Yeah. So that's for all from this video.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Peace out.